Hello students, welcome back to next episode of Mastering Commerce. Now in continuation to the first chapter of your accountancy, we will do the numerical question, the next numerical question. I hope the previous question was quite clear to you. Question number 1, in which we had the fixed capital method of maintaining the capital account. Now this is the first chapter of your NCERT book. I want to recall few things which we have done in the previous PPTs. We have understood the difference between fixed and fluctuating method of capital accounts. In fixed method, we prepare the current account as well as the capital account. In fluctuating method, we prepare only the capital account, and in capital account, all the entries are made. So let us see question number 2. If you have not seen question number 1, you can go to the previous PPT. This is question number 2 of NCERT book. Anuba and Kajal are partners of a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Their capitals were rupees 90,000 and rupees 60,000. The profit during the year were 45,000. According to partnership deed, both partners are allowed salary rupees 700 per month to Anuba and rupees 500 per month to Kajal. Now over here it is important to note that you are giving the profit of previous year. So that profit has to be distributed between both the partners in 2:1. Then their capitals are given, which is 90,000 and 60,000. That will be the opening balance. And the salary over there is written per month. So you have to do it into 12. So 500 into 12 for Anuba and for Kajal. 700 into 12 for Anuba and 500 into 12 for Kajal. On capital, there is also interest of 5% which will be recorded in the capital account. The drawings at the end of the period were 8,500 for Anuba and 6,500 for Kajal. They will also be recorded in the capital account. And interest of 5% will be charged on both Anuba and Kajal's drawings. So these are the things which will be written in the capital account. Let's see, it is very easy because everything is given in the question. You have to just find the balance. Let's see the next slide. Now over here when we see the format is the same of the capital account which we had seen in the starting of the chapter. So we will start the question as no dates are mentioned in the question. So date column I have left blank, but you have to make the proper date column. The first thing which will be entered will be the balance of capital which is given to you in the question, and the balance for both the partners Kajal and Anuba are 90,000 and 60,000. The PL account balance which is given to you 45,000 will be divided in their profit sharing ratio because it is a profit for them. So 45,000 into 2 upon 3 for Anuba, 45,000 into 1 upon 3 for Kajal. This you will be showing in your working notes. Over there you can show the calculation how it is done. Then we have the salary for both the partners, that is 700 and 500, which will be done into 12. So it comes for Anuba 8,400 and for Kajal comes 6,000. Then it is given to you interest on capital is to be charged at 5% per annum. So whatever capital is given to you, for Anuba it is given 90,000, so 5% will be charged on 90,000, which will be 4,500, and 5% for Kajal on 60,000 will be charged, which will come 3,000. Then they have given you the amount of drawings which will be written on the debit side 8,500, 6,500. I will again remind you, we write drawings as on the expense side, interest on drawings also on the expense side, because according to partners they have to pay this money to the firm. When they have to pay to the firm means it is an expense for them. So that is why expenses are always written on the debit side. So logically, please understand, don't learn that drawing will come in debit side, interest on capital will come on the credit side. The logic is that whatever they have to pay, whatever are the expenses for them will be written on the debit side. So drawings are 8,500 and 6,500 for Anuba and Kajal. Interest on drawings, when you see, it is given 5%. So calculate 5% of 8,500, it will be 425. Calculate 5% on 6,500, it will be 325. Now all the credit sides total of Anuba will be subtracted from the debit side and you will get the balance of 123975. Credit side total for Kajal added up will be subtracted from the debit side of the Kajal's amounts. It will come 77,175. In the book, the answer is given wrong for the old additions. New addition, it is correct. It is wrong because they have made the PL appropriation account, which we have not learned till now. So there is no need to make for first and second question the PL appropriation account, only the capital accounts will be prepared. So this is how we are going to solve this question. So few points you have to remember whenever you are doing these kind of questions. The points are that this question is different from the previous one because only capital account is prepared. In the first question we prepared current account as well as capital account, because this question says that they are following fluctuating method. In the fixed capital method, the current account is also prepared, which I already told you. Question 1 and question 2 reflect the difference between fixed and fluctuating method of maintaining capital account. Over here, I would like to say don't just straight away jump to TS Grewal. I have seen many students doing the difficult questions first. It is better first you do the easy questions which are given in your NCERT. NCERT is the key to success in CBSE exams. So if you ignore NCERT completely, it is not going to help you in any ways. First, do the NCERT questions. Once you understand the concept and you get the logic of how the entries are done, you can proceed with the TS Garewal or whatever book is recommended by your teacher in school. So it is very important. First, do the easy things, the things which make the concept clear to you. Then you go to the difficult task. So I hope this video will help you to understand the difference between question number 1 and question number 2. In the next video, I'll be telling you about partnership deed and what are the important things to keep in mind if partnership deed is not there, how the numerical questions which are given after first and second, we will be solving with the reason behind them. So let's meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. Bye for now.